So now that the export's completed, let me show you the final step, and we're going to load our beat that we've just created into Logic. So I'll swing over to the Mac, and here we are. So we have the device, the iPad, plugged into iTunes. If I just go to the top, to the iPad tab, and then on the apps, and click apps, and you'll see all the apps that are installed, and I go to the Beatmaker. So what I have to do is scroll to the bottom, and there's the Beatmaker there. And here are all the WAV files that I've just exported. And also this folder here stores all the sounds, the custom sounds for each drums are in that folder, which you can also access by copying. So here they all are, and then the pattern data. This is where the files are stored for the drum patterns themselves. Ideally, you'd not need to change this, unless maybe I'll bring out a feature later on to save the pattern data. But we'll see. We'll see if people want it. But first of all, let me show you how to export these. So as you will see first, the way they're labelled. They're labelled like this. So Genius Export, the date, that's the date and the time that I press the export. Pattern 17, that's the circle number in the performer window, and then the drum name, clap, clave, etc, etc. So you see pattern 17, so that's 1 bar long, that is. All the drums for a 1 bar pattern. Then pattern 18, 19, and 20. And then what I need to do is simply drag these out into a folder, which I'll do like this. So you literally just drag and drop. There. And see they copy. And once they're copied, I just simply select them and then just drag them into Logic. This is Logic open in the background. Create new tracks. And there's our beat. Now, or you probably noticed that it's not quite trimmed it. I mean, that's probably something I'll fix in the future, but that's an easy thing to fix. So the tempo of this, so we select 1 bar, and then if I press Apple T, then you can change the tempo to the length of the beat. There we are now. That will loop nicely. Excellent. And then and repeat the process. By copying the next step. Let's copy them all now. Into the folder first. And now let's drag in pattern number 18. So let's just zoom out first. Close the scroller. Okay, so that was pattern. See, that's pattern 17. That one. So now let's bring in pattern 18. Select them all. Drag them in. Use existing tracks this time. There. And then the next one, pattern 19. And pattern 20. And then loop, and here we go. And obviously now we have this. Say add a delay on it. There you go. One drum pattern from the sequencer to the performer. custom sounds playing in Logic.